Apple shelves the iPhone 13 for the stunning iPhone 12s Pro. Here's what it looks like. Apple iPhone 12s Pro keeps the best parts of the iPhone 12 Pro with some key upgrades, and it looks fantastic. It's been a while since Apple launched an S version of its iPhone, which is usually a souped-up version of a series that offers some measure of improvements over the main line, but not enough to warrant an entirely new moniker. That may be exactly what we're getting this year, in lieu of the iPhone 13, and we've got brand new images and a snazzy video to show off what that device might look like. We didn't see an iPhone 11s model in 2019, and Apple hasn't exactly been consistent with rolling out the semi-upgraded devices. The iPhone XS was the last S model it released, so we're well overdue for the next one. While we're assuming that 2021 will see the iPhone 13, alongside a possible new iPhone SE, an iPhone 12s Pro might be more likely, boasting some of the features that we've been hearing about, currently attributed to the iPhone 13 like the smaller notch. This stunning iPhone 12s Pro render shows off small hole-punch camera, meaning we get a full, uninterrupted display, and a slim top bezel. Whether Apple's next device is the iPhone 13 or iPhone 12s Pro, we're expecting a 120Hz refresh rate after years of 60Hz displays. It's an upgrade Apple has to make given that even budget handsets like the OnePlus Nord are hitting 90Hz. The iPhone 12s Pro's size is still the same, coming in at 6.1 inches with the LTPO panel we've been hearing about. Not much has changed over on the rear, with the camera housing. If Apple introduces larger sensors, then it may be a little chunkier, but the triple lens setup is unchanged. Apple is also rumored to be getting rid of the ports on its iPhones as it heads towards its goal of portless devices, which the MagSafe charger and wireless headphones like the AirPods Pro and AirPods Max. That's why the renders do away with the port, as you'll see at the 29-second mark of the video. The design is largely unchanged apart from that, so we'll have to wait for Apple to spill the beans on whether we're getting a new iPhone 13, or a jacked-up iPhone 12 Pro.